Hello. We got our iconic hurricane today. So that means, for those of you who might have forgotten, we have 4 clumps of work here. They're going to consist of 3 exercises. We're going to go through those 3 exercises 3 times. Only catch is they're 30 seconds each with no rest. There'll be no rest until that round is done. Then we have a 1-minute rest where I'm going to demo the next round for you. So it's going to go really fast. This is a 21-minute workout from when I hit start to once it's done. I don't know about you guys. I need something quick today because if it's not quick, I'm not going to do it. I know I keep talking about on here about how my motivation has been down, and I know you don't want to hear from your trainer that I'm unmotivated, but it's the truth. You know, it's hard. We're off our routine. Depending on where y'all are living, the weather's a little all over the place. Today, it was really, really nice, and then it got really, really cold, and then it got nice again, and then cold. So I'm just having a really hard time right now, especially with running, and it's like the one thing I should be able to do freely right now I'm not really enjoying because I'm not on my routine. So I definitely need this workout today, and yeah, let's get this done. I'm not looking forward to it because I'm feeling so tired, but you know, we always feel better after we get it done, right? So let's do this. Start warming up, some running in place, jumping jacks. I'm going to demo for you our first round of 3 exercises. So we have burpees, which I don't think I really need to demo burpees, but I will anyways. So burpees up first. We're going to jump, bring it down, hop back, all the way down to the ground, back up, jump in, and up, back down. Next up, we have reverse flies. So I'm going to use 10 pounds for reverse flies. Hinge forward, squeezing the center of your back to open up those arms, leading with your elbows. And then last one is push press. So I'm using 20s again, holding up at your shoulders, little bend, launch overhead, back down, little bend, launch overhead. So I only have 10s and 20s for this workout today. I can have the heavier weights, so I can go heavier on the push press and some of the other exercises later, but if you don't have anything heavier, you know, 15s and stuff will work just fine too. So this is more of a cardio workout today. So as long as we're getting our heart rate up, those weight exercises are going to feel heavy. So just to recap, I did not name this style of workout or create it. I just plugged in my own exercises. A hurricane is 10 to 30 seconds of sprinting and followed by 30 seconds of 2 cardio moves, or strength moves, excuse me. So since we don't have really the ability to sprint, we're just replacing the sprint with a cardio move followed by 2 strength training exercises. So it's going to be more cardio than strength today, but you might still feel it in your booty. So it's going to go by quick. Grab your weights. Let's get ready. Woo. Grab a quick drink of water. Give yourself a pep talk. And let's get ready. We're going to start with those burpees and then reverse flies and push press. So let me get our timer. All right. 10 seconds, we're going to get started with that burpee.
3, 2, 1.
All right, let's go. Bring it down, back, all the way down, all the way up, and jump. Halfway there. All right, grab your weights. Reverse fly up next. Hinge forward. Squeeze the center of your back. Ten seconds left here.
3, 2, 1, go.
All right, grab those heavier weights if you got them. Push, press. So you might notice a lot of the moves that we're doing today look very similar or exactly the same as last week. We're working to progress here
3,
over our
2,
quarantine.
1, go.
All right, back to burpees. We're looking to progress here. So in order to progress, we have to do the same exercises again. We can't just do an exercise one time and never come back to it. How are we ever going to get better? How are we going to know we've improved?
3, 2, 1, go.
All right, lighter weights, reverse fly. If you have the ability to go up in weights, I want you to challenge yourself and go heavier with the weights each week.
Three, two, one.
All right,
Go.
heavier weights, push press. You feel heavier than last week. Whew.
Three, two, one.
All right,
Go.
last time burpeeing here, guys. Best you got here. Remember, I put the burpees in the beginning for a reason. I'm on your side here. I'm not going to put these at the end. Hell no. We get these done quick, right away.
Three, two, one. Go.
All right. Reverse fly. Last time. Keep that back nice and straight here. Squeeze the center of your back.
Three, two, one.
All right, grab those heavy
Go.
weights. Push press. All right, last 10 seconds. Whew, breathe through it.
Three, two, one. Rest.
All right. We got a 1 minute break here, folks. Quarter of the way through this workout. Next up, we got squat jumps, push up with a hand release, and V-ups. Let me tilt this more towards the ground. Squat jumps. Sitting those hips back, launching up and down. If you need to modify, shoot to your toes, back down. Remember to cushion that landing by bending those knees. Push up with an arm release. We're going to bring it down to the ground, lower nice and slow, keep those knees off the ground, all the way down. Release your hands, bring them back down. You can either roll your way up or push your way back up off the ground. V-ups on your back. If you can, try to fold yourself in half. Or to modify, you can bring your knees up to your hands. Try to get those shoulder blades off the ground.
Two,
Squat jumps up first. So let's go, guys. Breathe through it. Halfway there. All right, bring it down. Push up with that release. So lower, slow, 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 slow. Release those hands. Back up. Forgot the release there.
Three, two, one, go.
Flip it on over. V-sits. Now, I'm not very flexible, so I'm going to take the modification here. Remember, just because you're modifying doesn't mean you're not still working. You're working within your ability level to get the most out of this exercise. My core is still tight.
One, go.
One round down, 2 to go. Back to that squat jump.
Three, two, one.
All right, bring it down. Push-ups with the release. Slow as you can here. Keep those elbows pinned in.
Three, two, one, go.
All right, roll it over. V-sits. Exhale as you come up. On your way up. Whew, all the words are blurring together right now. If you're having a hard time talking, if you're wondering how I'm talking, then you are doing it right.
One, go.
Final round. Last time on these squat jumps. All right, we are less than a minute and a half away from being halfway through this workout. I don't know if that helps or not. In my mind, it helped. Saying it out loud, I don't think so.
Three, two, one.
All right, push-ups with the release. Last one. Slow, slow, slow. All right, fight that push-up.
Three, two, one.
All right, last 30 seconds of V-sits. Best you got here.
Three, two, one.
All right,
Rest.
halfway through, guys. We got this. All right, next round, we got alternating jumps, a sumo pulse squat, and surrender. So these should all look familiar. So alternating squat, or alternating jump. We're gonna take one leg back, opposite arm in front, jump it up, bring it back. You can also just power up to your toe. Surrender, we're going to bring it down, down, up, up. To make this a little harder from last week, let's challenge ourselves and try to hold a weight here. Oh, I missed sumo pulse squat. Opening up wide, toes out in sumo position. We're just going to pulse it out right here. That's it. Get ready, guys. We got 5 seconds. We're going to start with that right leg back. Right leg back. We got 15 seconds on one side, 15 seconds on the other. All right, switch sides, smooth transition. Use those arms here. Power that knee up.
2, 1.
All right, take it wide, grab a weight, pulse it out, nice and low. Toes are out, knees press out over your feet. Whew. Deep breaths. Just up an inch and down an inch. Get comfortable being uncomfortable here. Almost there.
3, 2, 1.
All right, surrender. So bring it down, down, up, up. Keep it low. Other leg. Down, down, up, up. So last week, if you remember, I did not hold a weight. So this week I am, because we are progressing. We're making things harder.
3, 2.
All right, set that guy down. Right leg back. Power up and back. 1 round down. 2 to go here. Switch sides, left leg back. Grab that weight again. Take it wide, toes out. Pulse it down. Sit it nice and deep here. Just moving an inch at a time, either way. Halfway there. All right, last 5 seconds.
3, 2, 1.
All right,
Go.
let's take it down, down, up, up. Other side. I know you want to stand up all the way on these. Don't do it. Resist that urge. Keep all that pressure in your quads. You got 10 seconds. All right, set that weight down. Right leg back. Last time. All right, switch sides. Whew, those legs should be feeling a little jello-y by now. I know mine are feeling a little heavier than they did about 2 minutes ago.
3, 2, 1.
All right,
Go.
grab that dumbbell, wide toes out, pulse it out. Breathe through it here. Fight that urge to stand up. Keep that chest up. You got 10 more seconds here, and then it's into that last set of surrenders.
3, 2, 1.
All right,
Go.
right into it. Down, down, up, up. Keep it low. All right, 20 more seconds here. And then after that, we only got one more set of 3 exercises left. That means 4.5 minutes of work. We can do that. We've done worse. We've done it before. We can do it again.
1.
Whew.
Rest.
All right, go ahead and drop that weight. Shake it out. Last set coming at you. I'm sorry, we got lunge jumps. They're terrible, but we did them last week. We can do them again. Curtsy lunge and good morning. So we remember curtsy lunges, weight on each side, stepping it back and across. So side view here, back and across, getting into that side booty. Good morning is grab your light weight. We're gonna rest them on your shoulders. And then just like an RDL, little bend in those knees, reach those hips back, bring it back up. So we're gonna feel this more in our back here and our glutes. So let's get ready for that lunge jump. And then we'll get ready for a curtsy next.
3, 2,
Step that right leg back,
go.
jump and switch. Remember, take these at a pace that you can handle. If that means you take a bounce, then take the bounce. If you need to step it out at a quick pace, step it out at the quick pace. You can always take that jump out, less than 10 seconds.
3, 2, 1.
All right,
Go.
curtsies. I used 20s last week, so I had no excuse not to use 20s today. Remember, we're keeping that chest up tall, shoulders right over your hips. So if you notice side view, I'm not dipping my chest forward.
2, 1, go.
Good morning's up next. Grab your light weights, up at your shoulders, bring it forward, squeeze it up. My back is acting up a little bit right now, so I'm not going very deep into it. I may actually drop the weights and do it with body weight. Go with the intensity you need to, guys.
1, go.
Lunge jumps. Step it back. Don't worry, everyone. My back is getting better. I saw the chiropractor today. We're good. Everything's in the right direction. It was a really good adjustment, so I'm feeling it. That's why the good mornings don't feel so good.
3, 2, 1, go.
All right, curtsies. Heavy weights. Ooh, breathe through it, everyone. We're getting near the end here. Remember, if I can do this, you can do this.
3, 2, 1, go.
All right, good mornings. I'm gonna take my hands to my ears. You can take those weights to your shoulders. Go within your range of motion here. Feel that pull in your hamstrings, in your low back. Remember,
3,
even coaches have to modify sometimes.
go.
Last set of lunges. Halfway through these. Keep pushing through here.
Three, two, one.
All right.
Go.
Last curtsy. Deep breaths. Let that heart rate slow down. We're done with the cardio. All right. Set those weights down. Grab your light weights for the good mornings. Hinge it forward. Exhale up. Keeping that back nice and flat. Remember, a little bend in those knees. Last 10 seconds.
Three, two, one.
All right. That's it, guys. We are done. Nice work. Grab some water. Shake it out. We are going to stretch it out here because I think we earned it. And look at these lazy cats here. 3 lazy cats. Just sitting there watching me die. Not doing a thing to help. Oh my gosh, do you see the sweat? Oh, this hurricane is no joke. Let's bring that left foot in, reach for your right toes. You know, I'm really realizing, like today, that although my schedule is super busy, you know, I need that routine. I need routine in order to be a productive person. And I really do miss coaching everybody in person. And bend that leg, hinge it over your left side. If it weren't for these videos, I know I keep saying this, if it weren't for these videos, if it weren't for all you people that do these videos every day, I would probably feel completely worthless right now. So, walk those hands off to the side, twist. So thank you to everyone who watches these videos. Seriously, you're giving me life's purpose here while I'm stuck at home. Bring it down to that forearm, reach your arm overhead, tilt your chest to the ceiling. And then let's swing it over to the other side. Reach for those left toes, pull that right leg in. Today we went outside, we went for a walk, and then we went and played frisbee golf at a new course locally. And I don't know who out there plays frisbee golf who's watching this, but if you've never played, you really should. We had a good time. Bend that knee, lay it over your right side. It was great to get outside and walk, so even though I didn't get a run in, it was still nice to be outside. We still got well over 10,000 steps today. Not that I'm a step counter by any means, but makes me feel like we did something. So make sure you're enjoying the outside. No matter what anyone tells you, get outside. Walk those hands off to the side, twist. And then bring it down to that forearm. Reach overhead. And then let's bring it to our knees. Knees together, toes together, knees apart. Yeah. Bring those hips back, chest to the ground. And then lift it up to those toes. Move your hips back. Alternate a little bend in each leg. Get a little deeper into each side. And when you're ready, walk those hands up to your toes. Roll it up. And we are all done, guys. Thank you so much for joining me again. Thank you so much for clicking play on another hurricane. Despite the fact that we all know now, from doing last week's workout, that hurricanes are not easy. They are terrible, but they are over so quick. And I don't know about you guys, but despite the fact that I am dying right now and that was very hard, I feel like I fared much better today than last week. Like, it was basically the same workout with only a few things changed around, but I think I did a lot better today. So these at-home workouts are kicking my ass, and it's nice to see improvement here. So that's why I like doing very close to the same workouts week to week and trying to improve upon those, is because we'll see some progress, and nothing feels better than seeing progress, especially, as I've been talking about motivation here. It's hard to stay motivated when you're at home, and just those little things like seeing progress, noticing that you're not dying as much at the end of a workout as you did before, or noticing that you were able to pick up heavier weights, or you're able to grab a weight for an exercise today that you didn't last week. Little things like that are what we're going to have to focus on here to stay motivated and keep pressing play every day. So let me know how this went for you today. If you did last week's hurricane and this one, let me know the comparison. Like this, comment, and don't forget to come back tomorrow and work out with me. I will see you all later. Bye, guys.